Come test drive the 2015 Camry Hybrid. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and a great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.